Hi students, this is Mr. Yao. Today we're going to talk about 1.3, is it correct? In this lesson, instead of doing the questions by ourselves at the beginning, we are going to learn how to check other people's mistakes and understanding how they made these mistakes. Let's look at example 1. If I'm solving that equation, 2x minus 6, I would need to subtract both sides by d6. Add both sides by d6. That is gone, the 2x is there. Now I can already see the mistake. 32 plus 6, that's clearly not 26. So I identify the mistake. 32 plus 6 is not 26. That's where the mistake is. Now I will need to explain why or how they got the 26. If you think about it, 32 plus 6, that's 38. But 32 minus 6 is 26. That means instead of adding 6, they did subtracting 6. So we do have two parts, that's identify, and that's explain. Now we need to correctly solve the question. So 2x minus 6 equals 32, add 6 on both sides. 2x equals 38, divided by 2, x equals 19. That's example 1. Example 2. This is actually slightly tricky. Maybe when you solve it, you're going to be like, wait, I actually going to do subtract 4 on both sides, then I divide it by 6. Yes, you totally can. However, that doesn't mean their first step is a wrong step. So let's look at it, what they did. They have 6x changed into x, which means they divided by 6 in that first step. And 42 divided by 6 is 7, so these two parts are correct. However, the 4 is not divided by the 4. So, mistake they made is they forgot to divide 4 over 6. So again, they totally can divide to solve. They're just going to get x plus 4 to 6 is 2/3 equals 7. Then just subtract that over, you'll actually get the right answer. So again, they actually just forgot to divide the 4 over 6 as well. So now correctly do it. I'm just going to do the same procedure the person had. So I'm going to have divided by 6, divided by 6, divided by 6. So x plus 2/3 equals 7. Subtract 2/3 on both sides. X equals 6 and 1/3, which is 19 over 3. That's example 2. The mistake again is right here. Example 3. Identify the mistake. 5 times 4x, that is 20x. However, that 8, that doesn't look right. So they forgot to distribute the 5 onto the 2, onto the 8. So to do it correctly, 4x plus 8 equals 120. 20x plus 40 equals 120 minus 40. That's 20x equals 80 divided by 2. X equals 40. That is if we solve number 3 correctly. Oh, wait. Oh, it's not 2, it's 20. So divided by both sides by 20, I will get a 4, not 40. Next, number 4. You can see the 3 is gone, so they must have subtracted 3. But then negative 18 minus 3. Oh, negative 18 minus 3 is not negative 15. So again, instead of subtracting 3 on the right side, they did plus 3. Correctly solved. X over 6 plus 3 equals negative 15. 3 minus 3, x over 6 equals negative 21. Now times both sides by 6, x equals negative 120, no, not 100. Yes, 126. That's example 4. Number 5. 7x plus 4. Oh, you see the 9x is gone, so you know they try to take away the 9x. Subtract 9x on both sides. And everything else, negative 4 is right. The 4 is right. Well, however, 7x minus 9x is not 2x. So here's what they basically did. They forgot the negative sign in front of x. So 7x plus 4 equals 9x minus 4 minus 9x. Negative 2x plus 4 equals negative 4 minus 4 on both sides. Negative 2x equals negative 8. Divided by negative 2, x is 4. That is example 5. Moving on, example 6. I can see the 5n is gone, so that must have been subtracting 5n on both sides. That looks right. I got a 2n, and the 7 is on the left side, the right side still has a 1. I subtract 1 on both sides, I do have a 6. 2n is there. Then I'm going to need to divide by 2. Oh, wait, that doesn't seem right. 2n. And even though the n is on the left side now, 6 divided by 2, there's no way that's 12. So mistake is 6 divided by 2 is not 12. So instead of dividing 2, they multiplied by 2. Now let's solve 5n plus 7, 7n plus 1. And it was subtracting 5n. 7 equals 2n plus 1 minus 1. 6 equals 2n divided by 2. N equals 3. That's example 6. Example 7. 10x, that seems right. Oh, that is not right. 60, that seems right. Oh, that is not right. So 5 times 4 is not 4, and 10 times 8 is not 8. They forgot to distribute 5 and 10 to the second number. Now let's solve it. 5, 2x plus 4, 10, 6x minus 8. So now 10x plus 20 equals 60x and minus 80. 60x minus 60x. We have to 50x plus 20 equals negative 80. So minus 20 on both sides. I got negative 50x equals negative 100. Divide both sides by negative 50. X equals 2. That should be the final answer. Next, last one, example 8. 6 times 4x, that's right. 6 times 4, 5, that's right. 2 times 20, that's right. 2 times 7, that's right. Okay, no mistake in that step. Next, I can see the 24x is gone, so that means they have subtracted 24x. That seems right. 30 is still there. Just subtracted, you got 16x. That's still there. Next, subtract 14 on both sides because the 14 is gone from that step. Ooh, 30 minus 14 is not 44. 30 minus 14 is not 44. And here's the reason. Instead of subtracting 14, they did plus 14. Now let's correct. 4x plus 5 equals 2 times 20x plus 7. 24x plus 30 equals 40x plus 28. Back 40x on both sides. Now, negative 16x plus 30 equals 28. Wait, so sorry, it's not 28, it's 14. Subtract 30 on both sides, negative 16x, negative 16. And then I'm going to divide both sides. Okay. So after that, I got negative 16x equals negative 16. Last step, divide both sides by negative 16. X is 1. That is everything for 1.3. Thank you.